how to make sensory balls. These are the things you need: water beads, jar, balloons, empty bottle, water, and a curious mind. Add a handful of water beads to a jar. Fill it up with water. And then you wait about 4 to 8 hours. The beads will expand. They're ready once they look like tapioca balls, but they're not, so please don't eat them. Put a handful of beads in an empty water bottle. And now you blow a balloon just a little bit, twist the end, and secure the end on the top of a water bottle. Reverse your bottle so that the water beads travel to the inside of the balloon. Unattach the water bead-filled balloon from the bottle and tie the end. And here you got a stress ball, squishy ball, sensory ball, messy ball, because when they burst, oh boy, they're messy. This is a great activity to do with a child as it promotes engagement, sequencing, receptive language, joint attention, turn-taking, fine motor skills, and you won't know until you try, stress reduction. This can also be used as a fidget toy for study and exam time. You can do the same thing with rice, beans, sand, or slime, which will help promote a different kind of sensory awareness. You can easily accommodate all learners by making it fun, modeling, and scaffolding this activity, which means breaking it down into easy steps. Now go on your way and play.